Hey, good morning. We are attempting to make French press coffee. My cousin Sean, he got this French press. It's a micro French press. And I'm going to watch him, see how he does this.
Fill it up about 3/4.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
He bought me one too. So when I'm on the road, get.
So the water was on the fire.
Yeah.
The can here, so we're just going to use a hot mitt.
If you remember back in my previous video, I burnt the lid, so now I just have the kettle part.
All right. There we go. So it's going to steep into here. I'm going to swirl it about 20 times.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not counting, I'm just guessing.
Oh. Okay.
All right, so it's already starting to turn a little bit. Going to give a little bit of a press. And do it again. I'm just going to go in the reverse direction.
Nice.
For the fun of it. There we go. I'm actually going to let that sit in there for a little bit so it'll steep in the rest of the way.
Okay.
And then I'll stir it a few more times.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
Can't wait to try it.
It should be pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, get your cup.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that, starting to turn pretty good now. Creamer. Yeah. Also brought us some palms for this morning.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, fancy. Comes with silverware.
Yeah, right.
And take a sip. Let's see. How is it?
It's hot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah?
Campfire coffee.
I got my coffee. My cousin helped me make with the new little micro French press. And this is hazelnut coffee. It's really good. Yes, perfect. That little thing does really well. I am super impressed. It is called a micro French press. Interesting. I'll show you the box. Yeah, he just gave it to me, so yay! I got something to make like exceptional coffee. Just got to make sure I bring the good coffee. So I am breaking down the campsite and getting ready to pack up the Jeep and make our way to the trailhead. And so yeah, that's what we're doing. But yeah, last night slept perfect. My sleeping bag, and I had a fleece sleeping bag, so I double layered it. I stayed toasty. I didn't get overly warm. I have an extra wool blanket I just kind of threw over my head, kind of, because it was 38 degrees last night. It was really cold. It's cold now, but it's supposed to get up to about, I think, 58 by the time we get hiking and all that. So that is good. So, yep. Hey, so we made it to Boynton Canyon trailhead, and we are trying to navigate where to go, what trail to take to lead us to the subway cave. So I know that there's part of the trail that's not marked, so we'll have to figure it out. It's so pretty here. Look at the ground is red. Red, 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 red country. Look at how beautiful. So we are going to hike. I think that this trail is 6 miles round trip. And I got some knee pads on. I got some gloves just in case I need to climb up some rocks. So I am prepared. All right, time to get hiking. Toodles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Also, drop a comment. I will leave the information for the micropress down in the descriptions. Thanks for watching. Toodles. I'll show you. Here we go.